Another accessibility tool that is worth mentioning is the large mouse cursor. If you have a student with a visual impairment, you're able to increase the size of the cursor to a desired size for that student. As you can see, this mouse cursor is definitely larger and easier to see no matter where you are. So that might be another option. I'm going to actually go to the web here. And I'm going to go back to Tween Tribune in this article. And you can see that I can easily see my cursor as I scroll, and it's definitely easier to see what I'm doing. The other option here is something called, I'm going to decrease this here, is highlight the mouse cursor. So if you were doing something in your classroom and you wanted to call attention to certain parts of a web page, this actually comes in handy when you're doing a screencast or a presentation or making an instructional video and you want to locate their cursor more easily. You may have some students that really like that as well.